ask you a question. What if there's a way you could make $2 just by pushing a button, watching a short film and then cashing out? Or what if there's a way that you can earn another 50 cents simply by liking or commenting on a video and having it go viral? What if you could accomplish all of these easy tasks on your smartphone and spend just a few minutes a day doing so in order to make real money online over and over again? You can withdraw your cash using a variety of different methods such as Paytm, PayPal, bank transfers, cryptocurrencies, and many more. I'm going to walk you through the steps of signing up for a completely free account that can be used anywhere in the world on this fresh new website that nobody else seems to talk about. And if you stay with me until the very end, you'll know how to earn around $37 with less work. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $37 each time by just using the slide bar. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So pay close attention, because this is going to be a brand new website that no one else has heard of. You can basically make money in 5 different ways on this website. So the first thing you can do is look around on different websites and watch different videos and ads. 2, you can leave an engagement on social media. So this means that you can get paid to like a video or share a video. So if it's a simple video, all you have to do is watch it for a few seconds and you can get paid. Besides that, you can also like the video if you want to make some extra money. You can keep making money with this website by clicking the like button, leaving a comment, or subscribing to the channel. So leaving engagement like in the videos and writing sample comments is basically method number 2. The third way to make money is to fill out some simple surveys. So they are very easy and good for people who are just starting out. So I'll explain in more detail in a moment. But to sum up, you can sign up for a brand new simple account for free and get bonus money. But make sure you watch until the end so I can tell you what the name of the website is, okay? But anyway, you can do this on any device. So you can do it on your phone, computer, or tablet and start making money online. You can be sure that it works in every country in the world and that you don't have to put any money into it. The first step is to choose a way to make money. Don't worry though, because there are so many ways to make money on this website. You can pick any one of the 5 ways I'll show you in a minute. And the second step is that you can start carrying out the orders, doing the job, and making money. Step 3 is that they will send you the payment every time you reach a certain amount. With this new website, you can now get paid every day in less than 24 hours. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video because I'll tell you tricks to make earning money easier for you. So this website is called Zareklamy. It is a Polish microjob platform that compensates you for doing minor tasks on your desktop or mobile device. So most users access the software using their smartphones, allowing them to earn money while on the bus, at work, or even in the restroom. Who doesn't like the freedom of working from a smartphone at the most convenient time? Zareklamy tasks can be completed on any platform, but the software is only accessible for Android devices. So if you use iOS, you must log in via the website. So before you can complete activities, you must first create a free account with your Google, Facebook, or email address. They will next ask your name, username, and gender. So after that, they will send you an activation link through email when you have created your account. So you just have to simply click the verify your account button and you're done. Earning money with Zareklamy is a breeze. There are 5 ways to earn money on the Earn tab. So I want you to tap the Earn button to select a method. Following that, you will earn and learn more about the individual tasks under each category. So you can get paid for a variety of activities on social media sites such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Play, and others. You can earn money by giving Facebook likes, following profiles on Instagram, sharing Facebook posts, and watching YouTube videos. For example, this category of tasks will pay you $0.005 to $0.02. You can also earn money by leaving social media comments and reviews on the sites like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Trustpilot, Google Play, Fiverr, Glassdoor, Booking.com, and Airbnb. Remember that before you can write a review, you must first purchase a product or install an application. Okay, for instance, if you were given the opportunity to submit a review on Google Play, you must first install and test the app. I mean, of course, you were asked to write a review, so obviously you should have the app on your phone. You must constantly submit detailed evaluations, or you will not get compensated. For your quality comments and reviews, you may expect to earn $0.0575. Now, before I continue with the rest of the topic, I want to know if you're interested to delve into this side job. You know what? Let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. Okay, let me tell you about this. You can also answer surveys from clients who seek your feedback on various products and topics by filling out surveys. You know, they will always inform you if a poll is public or anonymous. You might earn up to $1 every survey. So newsletters can also be created and subscribed to. These kinds of tasks are known as GPT offerings or get paid to site. Advertisers will pay you a modest fee to subscribe to your newsletter or to their website. So they pay you to subscribe in the hopes that you would become a client later. Although the majority of offers are free. You may be enticed to sign up for a free trial using your credit card information. If you accept this type of offer, I recommend that you carefully read the terms of service. Earn anywhere from 10 cents and $2 each offer. Finally, you can look through websites, videos, and advertisements. The title of this section speaks for itself. All you have to do is click the Earn button and wait for the advertisements to show on your screen. Earnings range from $0.005 to $0.01 per action. So, whether you are an online gamer or a survey expert, Zarklami provides you with the possibility to achieve your financial ambitions and goals. Furthermore, you get compensated for watching videos, movies, while laughing, purchasing, and referring others. If you suggest more people to join, your chances of earning even more increase because a $10 reward is given to both the referrer and the referee. You can update your payment billing information and get paid after you hit the $25 minimum withdrawal requirement. The quicker you complete jobs, the better your chances of earning more money. So bank transfer would be PayPal and Payoneer, so there are available payment methods for receiving a transfer. So now that you know all of this information, are you excited to try this app out? You know what? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!